Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. I'm beyond excited because I went into our local Kmart today and they had the Lego dots on the shelves already. This is a new release theme from Lego, their arts and crafts, and I picked up a few different things. These are the wristbands. So I got a whole load of different styles of wristbands. They got new printed tiles. This one is the Cosmic Wonder design one. And this one here, ooh, sparkly unicorn. Oh, I love the colours. Even the colours on the packaging, this is like totally up my street. And I love arts and crafts. I love creating my own design kind of things, though I'm probably going to be rubbish at it today, but we'll give it a try. This one's funky animals with it's got a kitty cat and bunny rabbit's little patty paws. So these are some of the wristbands that are available. There's nothing very interesting on the back. This was interesting. This was a whole $5. It's got create extra dots, series 1. So we'll have a look in that in a minute. I also picked up the pineapple pencil holder because it was funky and so cool, but we're not building that today. We're going to concentrate on the wristbands today and see, we'll explore them together and you can get excited with me. Let's open it up and see how it all works. So we've got the rubbery wristband, which is on a cardboard backing just to make sure obviously that it doesn't get bent in its packaging. And it's got all these different holes so that you can set it at different sizes for your wrist and plugs through. And I'm actually going to get Millie, my daughter, who is 11, who actually squealed when I brought these into this house. She thought they were so pretty. I'm going to get her to stress test them once I have put them together. And then, of course, she can create her own designs. But I wanted to share them with you first. And then she's going to see how they go with the actual wearing and whether the little dots fall off, because that's important. We're going to have to just see whether they are really a wearable little work of art. So let's see what else is in this package. It's hard to get this bit out. So these are your cool little dots that we get to decorate the wristband with, and we've got some exclusive prints on these. So the funky animals have got the little tiny, these had the little tiny rabbits. Look at the little rabbit. So little square rabbit printed tiles, and somewhere here, there's patty paws as well. There we go, there's the cat. So I think these are the only printed, those are the only prints that are in here, but we've got a few of those, and we've got light pink and dark pink pie pieces and black and white. So now we get to see, you can make whatever design you want on here. Now, I know that this will have gone through some rigorous testing at Lego, and because the actual band itself is rubbery, we're gonna have to see how well the Lego tiles stay on it when you're wearing it. I'm curious to see how it all is going to stand up. But it's going to be such a fun experience putting together your own design and then wearing it. So I honestly, I can't do this sort of thing very well on the fly, like making it up as I go along. I like to plan out my patterns, but at the moment while I'm sharing it with you, I'm just going to make it up as we go along, and I'm trying my hardest to get these on straight, because if they're not straight, it's going to stress me. Let's put the paws here. We'll put another little petty paw here, over here. Oh, so adorable. There's a lot of pink in this one, and even though I love the cat print, I'm wondering whether I might want to put the cat print on one of the other ones that have got like the black band, so you can mix and match them. In fact, you can mix and match them with, obviously, with existing Lego tiles that you already have. Okay, not sure what I'm doing here. I'm trying to create something that is not symmetrical. Let's see, if I put this, I'm worried I'm going to try and make a pattern and then I'm going to run out of space on the end because I didn't actually plan this. So let's try, maybe if we put these ones over on this end, because I don't have enough dark pink quarter pie pieces to make one of these circles in the middle as well as on the ends. So maybe something different in the middle. We can put some of those there, and that was not symmetrical, so let's fix that. It took me a while to figure that out. So let's put these over here. And of course it doesn't have to be symmetrical. It's just that I'm trying to make this particular one symmetrical because it just makes it a little bit easier. So what are we going to do in the middle? We've got one each of the little printed tiles left, but I don't know. Maybe we could put a black dot over here and a matching one on the other side. And that way I could use some of the... can put this one here. And then maybe I could use some of the black quarter pie pieces in the middle, and I can't make another. I don't have another dark pink quarter No, I can't even get those on straight. Hold on. Let's take that off. Can actually get these quite easily off with your fingernails, but I like to use the remover because it just makes it a little bit quicker. Let's make a circle in here and see, no more dark pink quarter pies. Now I could just get one out of my stash, but I'm going to just use what we have available here today. So I might mix up the middle. Let's take this out and let's just use white. There we go, that's so pretty. And I've used up every single dot on here. Now, this is going to have to bend around my wrist. Look at that. I magicked that so you didn't have to see me struggle trying to put it on one-handed. It's so cute. And look, I'm a full-grown adult and this still fits on my wrist, which is cool. Okay, this one's the one with the black wristband, which is really nice. And let's get it out. So Cosmic Wonder. Let's check out the printed pieces in here and see what sort of cool pattern we can put on this one. Oh, and I love the teal pieces in here. There's teal and mint and pale lavender and pale pink and new diamondy pieces. Little faceted ones with a pearlescent shine. They're pretty. Oh, I have so many plans on how I can use them. And we've got the printed quarter pie pieces. They're sparkly too with a star on it. And that one's got a star on it too. But there are some without stars on them. Oh, also like a little galaxy. Oh, this is so cute. And there's a little planet too, which is also a bit shimmery. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and the yellow. Oh, I love all these colors. Oh, okay. All right. So let's make some little design, a little galaxy style design out of these pieces. So maybe if I make kind of like a Northern Lights or a swirly starry kind of thing going down the middle. I have plans. They're not very well planned out plans. So we're just going to kind of put these on and see how it all looks. And it'll all be fun. It'll be super fun. And the fact is, it doesn't matter because you can just change it around. So if I can, I wonder how many of these do I have? I could kind of line the whole thing with these little star pieces, which is so pretty, as are the diamond pieces. Let's put a planet at the other end of our star swirl. Oh, it's like an aurora borealis, but not really. We can put some, love this pastel yellow. Oh, these colors just make my heart happy. We'll put another planet over here and maybe another, I do not know what I'm trying to achieve here. Maybe if I put, I'm just putting things on randomly now. If I put another one over here, will it create a pattern? Not really, but it's still cute. We're totally going to go with that. Maybe I can kind of echo that on the other side. Maybe we'll use the mint pieces. A little mint piece over here. And I could make this half circle and put another planet there. And oh, hold on, that's a lot of mint now, isn't it? So maybe if I put some of the lavender pieces here as well. And use, yeah, okay, so it's kind of echoing the image on the other side, but not. And there's diamond pieces, and it's so pretty. Oh, I can't bear the fact, though, I haven't used up all of those little star pieces. So maybe we could just whack one here and put another one on the other side. Does that look too weird? I don't care if it does. It's really cute. Let's put this one on my other wrist. Oh, look at that. I've got it on both wrists. Oh my goodness. Stacking these will be so much fun. That is super duper pretty. Okay, so we've got two done. Let's have a look at, let's take a break from making bracelets. Let's have a look at this just random series of dots. And it says, okay, so I mentioned the fact there's a series 1, so that intimates that we're going to see a series 2. And there are 10 surprise charms included. So there's little emoticons in here. We've got a rainbow heart. And what else? Oh, sparkly blue dots. That's new. And a kissy face. Oh, I do love the little emojis. They're really, really cute. What else have we got? A watermelon. Oh, and a sticky outy tonguey thing. What is this? It's like the cheeky one. And another watermelon. So there's a purple leopard skin print and a crying emoji. So all of the little white dots have got a print on them. Nothing else in there is printed, but they're a lovely combination. Another kissy face and a lovely combination of colors. Another watermelon. What else have we got here? What about my poo? How come I don't have a rainbow sparkly poop? Oh, or the skull face. So it looks like you might get a random selection of printed tiles in here. I really, is that a rainbow sparkly poop? No, sorry. Oh, it's a lightning strike. Oh, okay. Okay, so no rainbow sparkly poop. No, hold on. Are there any here I've missed? Oh, here's one. Oh, no, I don't know that I missed that one. We've already done a kissy face. We've got a couple of kissy faces. Actually, 3 kissy faces in the one packet. Okay, all right. I'm going to explore them later. They're going to be great for adding to our designs in this dots theme. Okay, let's get back to the bracelets. Let's open up the Lovebirds, which is just most tropical set of colours. I do love the colour of this wristband. I think Millie's going to pinch this one because this is a favourite colour of hers. And the colours in here. Let's see what printed tiles we've got that go with our little Lovebirds. So we've got the big round eyeball and we've got, oh, there's a heart, a 2-toned heart in pink. And the feather pieces, they are really pretty. Oh gosh, what would look like in a circle, those feather pieces. So many plans. Got some dark orange and light orange. We've got yellow. That's all the printed pieces though. So we've just got the hearts and the eyeball and the feather pieces. So maybe we could just put an eye up here and put a dark orange piece for a beak. I'll try and straighten them up. And then we'll put the feathers here. Oh, that's really cute. He would look like he's like rolled up into a ball, but let's do it like that because then he looks kind of like a little parrot, little feathery thing. And then we can do some little leaf drop or feathery drop kind of look things going down the band. Though once again, I'm not comfortable with the fact I haven't actually planned this out, so it might not end up centered. Let's find out. Let's just keep going and find out. Could it put a pink one, a little pink feather here? And I am so directionally challenged. Okay, we're doing okay. Feel free to tell me when I get these wrong, when I face these around the wrong way. Doing well so far. The yellow and the green actually look very similar under my studio lights here while I'm filming. But we've definitely got green and yellow. They are a distinctly different color. Let's see if I can put this maybe centered. Maybe put the little love heart centered. We'll see. Let's head from the other side and try to kind of mirror image this. I'm not certain that I'm going to have the right color tiles, or if I even really want to mirror image it. We might mirror image it. There we go, got it. Might mirror image the pattern, but change the colors of the feathers as they're heading back towards the center. So let's use the dark orange here. Is that right? I think that's... no, that's not right. It needs to go on the other side. So there we go. I told you I'm terrible at this. So directionally challenged. That's okay. You know, I struggle, but I keep trying. We got green one here, and maybe then a pink one. And then then we can put, maybe we'll use the coral ones. Those vibrant coral pieces. Which way does it go? Goes that way. This one goes this way. It's going quite nicely. And now we've got space here to put a love heart. Do we have 2 love hearts? We do. We've actually got 3 love hearts. Oh, but we don't have 4 love hearts. So I can't fill those other spaces with hearts. But they're just going to stay empty. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's do the next one. Oh, actually, no. Do you want to see me struggle putting this on my wrist? Like, it's really quite hard to put these things on one-handed on camera. I did it. Oh, it was much easier than I expected. Okay, last one of the wristbands. This one is the sparkly unicorn. And I'm so excited to see what new printed pieces we have in here. We've got a purple wristband and we have a lovely selection of colors. Got some shiny silver quarter pie pieces. They're cool. This unicorn printed piece, which we've actually seen before in the Chinese set, I think. One of the Chinese celebration set. I like these galaxy ones. Those would go really nicely maybe on the galaxy wristband too. So looking forward to mixing and matching these. Okay, so let's put... I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. I just want this unicorn to have the longest, starriest mane. Let's see how far we can make this go before it looks absurd. Possibly already looks absurd. which is crazy. It doesn't. No, it doesn't. Don't be silly. That's ridiculous. It will look fantastic because I will like it. And that's all that matters. I'm gonna see how far I can extend it with the black pieces. We could maybe put this up here, and maybe we can just put another one of these little main swirls out the side here. Too crazy? Doesn't really look like it lines up, but I don't care. So much hair, I don't care. Let's keep going down here. We'll use these, gotta use these silver pieces, but I don't know quite for what purpose. What happens if we do that? What does that look like? That looks like, oh, it looks like a letter S. It does. Oh, now that's made me think. Maybe we can do like lots of different, maybe we can make lots of letters. Maybe we can even put our names on these wristbands. Oh, so many thinkings. So many, not words or Englishes. Okay, this totally, I'm just gonna grab some pieces here from my stash because I've given up because my brain started to run out of creative ideas. Maybe I could put this little rainbow heart. I think the rainbow heart would go nicely with this. But seriously, there is no symmetry in this. Now I've stolen Millie to be my hand model for this. Don't they look really, really cute? She is going to make her own designs for the, oh, come on, you couldn't hold still for 2 seconds, right? She's gonna make her own designs for these, and I'm going to explore the rest of the Dot series in future videos. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up, and I will see you with another one very, very soon. Look at that pineapple. I'm looking forward to building that too. I'll see you soon. Bye.